Hello friends, I'm Erica. Are you suffering from hair loss? So I'll tell you about the powerful natural supplement that is Folifort. First, I want to warn you about counterfeit products if you do not purchase on the official site. So to help you, I left here in the description of the video the official website link if you are thinking about buying this product. And what is Folifort? It is an effective natural supplement for hair development that offers several advantages, including the restoration of lost hair and increased volume, strength, and shine. The formula contains several active ingredients, such as antioxidants and minerals, that protect the scalp from irritation and work to rejuvenate the follicles at the root. Folifort is an all-natural hair growth supplement that helps reverse the signs of hair loss and stimulates healthy, natural hair growth. Natural and healthy hair growth. It includes several natural supplements such as vitamins B5, zinc, biotin, white peony root, horsetail extract, and many others. All ingredients are antibiotic-free, from non-GMO crops, and manufactured in an FDA-registered facility with absolutely no animal testing involved. And it follows the latest GMP guidelines and procedures. The best results come when you take Folifort consistently for 3 to 6 months to give your hair time to regenerate and regain its strength. So it is strongly recommended to take the full 3 or 6 bottle treatment. And it can be used by women or men who suffer from hair loss, baldness, weak hair. It is indicated for people who are between 30 to 70 years old. Simply take 2 capsules every day after eating your evening meal with a glass of water until you get the desired results. Folifort has been standing out in the market because it has proven to be effective for the vast majority of people who take it, really fantastic, including on the sales page that I left here in the link below. There are people reporting the results that they had after using this product. But it is very important you know that you have to test this product to see if it will work for you. Because each organism works in a different way. If your experience is not 100% satisfactory, you can ask for a refund within 60 days of purchase. The nice thing is that your order arrives directly at your home in a period of 5 to 7 business days. It's very fast delivery. So that's it friends, this is my reviews about Folifort. I hope it has helped you. Remembering that the official site is here in the description. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.